You'll always have long blonde hair. You'll always be Memphis queen. You'll always be my first time in New Orleans. No matter where I go, no matter what I do, I'll never be 23 with anyone but you. You can marry who you want, go back to Tennessee, but you'll never be 23 with anyone but me. We'll always have Folly Beach, we'll always have Delta nights, we'll always be in between real love and real life. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This was requested, so if you have requests, please let me know in the comments and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Also, let me know if you have any questions. So the song is in standard tuning, has a capo on the 3rd fret, just as you can see there. And you only actually use 2 chords with it. You can mix up strumming and stuff. You can do some hammer-ons and pull-offs. I'll show you a couple things you can do there. But it's a really simple song. So I'm not saying this is the exact way to play it. Sam Hunt, I don't believe, typically plays guitar and sings at the same time. He might sometimes, I don't know. Let me know if you know that in the comments, actually. But I don't think that he does. But anyway, so I'm going to show you an easy way for beginners. You can play it and sing it. Now the song actually only has 2 chords. This is a way to do it an even simpler way. So capo on the 3rd fret, standard tuning. You're going to do a C chord, and you can do the C chord the whole time, or you can not use this finger and you can do some hammer-ons with it. Okay, so I would actually leave it off. That's how it sounds. Okay, so and then I'm muting with the big E string with my thumb. So you're doing. See, I'm actually still strumming that E, but you can't tell. All right, so you mute it with your thumb. So you're gonna do that one. So that's the first one. Then the next one is, so this is like an F chord, but you're gonna lift up your middle finger. You're gonna put your pinky on here. All right, so pinky goes on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo. Your ring finger, all right, goes, I don't know if you can see that, goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, okay? And then your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret, all right, on the little E string. Just like that. Sorry, not the little E string, that was wrong. On the B string. If it was on that one, that sounds wrong. So it's actually on the B string. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, you're gonna start with, you're just gonna do down, down, up, down, up. So you're gonna start on the C one, and you're just gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 and then you go to the other one. So pinky down. The way I go to it is I put my pinky down first, ring, move my middle finger, and then put the pointer finger on the B string. Okay, so you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, that whole time. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so, and you're gonna do just that once through, and then go to the verse. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and then when you go to that C again, so the first time you go back to it, you're gonna start doing that one, and I would play this part softer. Okay, so basically, again, what I try and do here, and I said this in some other videos, but you can do the G, B, and little E strings. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, okay, you can marry an architect, build you a house out on the water. Okay, so then for water is where you switch to the F chord. Water that really impresses your father. Okay, then after that you're gonna go to the C chord again. You can find some grown-up friends, drink some wine in California. So California is where you're gonna do the F chord. California, even if you cut it shorter, you'll always have long. Okay, so this part, when you go into, it's like the pre-chorus, you're gonna do, so for the C chord, you're gonna do single strums. Now it's different in the second time you go into the chorus, okay? But you're gonna do, you'll always have long, you're just gonna do single strum on long. Long blonde hair, you'll always be Memphis queen. So Memphis, you're just doing a single strum again on that C chord. Memphis queen, you'll always be my is where you do the F chord. My first time in New Orleans. So new is where you're gonna do the F chord again. New Orleans. You don't have to do that slap, but I think it sounds better, especially if you're playing it by yourself. Okay, so you would do no matter. So matter is where you can do C, and here you're going to want to play it louder. So I'm going to use a pick. You can do no matter where I go, no matter what I do, I'll never be 23 with anyone but you. See, so you're going to start with that C on no matter. No matter what I go, no matter where I go, no matter what I do, I'll never. So I'll never is where you're going to do the F. Never be 23, anyone but you. Marry. Okay, so marry is where you can marry. You're going to do C. You can marry who you want. Go back to Tennessee, but you'll never be. So you'll never be is going to be F. Never be 23, anyone but me. You'll always have long. Okay, so then this part, where you do this like that, like the end of the chorus, you're going to just do kind of the same timing as you did in the pre-chorus, but just faster. So you're going to do, we'll always have Folly Beach. So Folly is where you're going to really be playing C. Folly Beach. We'll always have Delta Nights. We'll always be in. In is where you're going to do F. In between real love, real life. So you could just do let it ring out on real life. Real life. And you're going to go into the next verse, okay? Well, actually, you'll do the intro part. And then you're going to go into it. You can ride a train to work, straight out your accent in the city, like your folks say from Mississippi. All right, and then you can do that. Now, the thing is, that I'll say about this song, if you want, like I mentioned, you could do some hammer-ons and pull-offs. So you could do the C chord like this, and you could do. Okay, and then when you do this part, I would actually do it with the middle finger. So you could do. So you can do it like that. So we like spice it up a little bit. So anyway, the only other difference is the first time when you play through, you'll always have long blonde hair. You'll always have, okay, so you do that. The second time through, you're just going to be doing it faster. You'll always have long blonde hair. You'll always have folly. I know I'm saying it wrong. So you do that. Now, there are other strumming patterns you can do with the song. You can palm mute if you want. You'll always have long blonde hair. You'll always have, see, we'll always have Folly Beach. We'll always have Delta Nights. So you can do all those things. So you can do that. You can add the hammer-on stuff, whatever you want to do. If you want to make it more lively, you can. If you want to just play it the way I showed you, that's an easy way to do it too. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.